It's so stressful, but I'm very happy because I were able to bring together all the Filipinos, not all, most of the Filipinos, different countries. We have 17 countries represented for tonight in our booth in Access. So we are the biggest booth in the whole Grand Palais. And then so we have 40 artists. And so I'm very happy that they trust us and they join us and they have the same vision as us. So yun naman ang pinaka pangarap, makatulong, gamitin ang art for good reason. It's like giving your heart with your art. Yes. Ang ano niyo palagi, may pagka-abstract, yung ano yun?
Yung ano ko kasi, it's like impasto. So, on the road kasi, yun nga, nakatira ako sa Baguio. And then, kung makikita niyo yung pyesa ko is very colorful. Nasa marami siyang puno. So, kung saan ako naka-stay is napalibutan ako ng mga puno. And then, on the road is ako yan, kung paano yung paglakbay ng isang artist na nakikipagsapalaran sa hirap ng buhay. So, yung paglakbay ko kasi sobrang hirap. So, it's a proud naman na nakarating ako dito sa France, Paris, na naisama sa isang exhibition dito sa Grand Palais, Paris, France. So sa tulong ng mga artist natin dito, mga organizer na nag-invite sa amin is napakalaking karangalan bilang isang artist sa Pilipinas na makarating dito sa France, sa Paris at makapag-exhibit sa ganitong napakalaki, napakaganda, prestigious yung exhibition. So, sobrang happy ako na nakarating dito sa France na ipakita yung talento ng Pinoy na lumalaban sa mga artist dito sa ibang bansa.
Mga arts ko po, mga babae, magaganda yan. Itong mga babae, parang ang style nito is pop art or comical na arts, painting. Dahil ako'y galing po ng comics illustrator po ako. Dati ng comics sa atin, then nag-animator din ako. Then after that, ito na yung trabaho ko. So, yun, ang style ko ay video pop art. Kasi yun ang talagang nandun ako na belong.
How do you feel po na andito kayo ngayon sa Grand Palais?
Grabe ang saya po kasi bihira po ang makakasama dito sa international na event na ito dahil of course art capital of the world. So yun ang talagang masaya dahil hindi lahat po sabi ko na nakakapunta or makakasali.
Here I have a diptych. We have silent metamorphosis. So we have the whispered bloom, and the other one is held silence. It's like to show people all the food wrappings that are normally waste already that you can see in this artwork. I tried to make something beautiful out of waste. And I made a diptych to show first the health silence, the silence of the woman who is holding to herself all those difficulties due to our environmental problems. And here we have the bloom with the vase, with what we can do in order for us to help our environment as human beings of this planet.
I am an IVF nurse and also an artist, and in this art I combine both of my jobs. So what you can see are embryos, but behind flowers. This is a message from my patients who are struggling with infertility issues, and that's why I hide the embryos behind flowers to send them messages. So patients usually come to me to talk about their feelings, emotions, what they have going through during their IVF journeys.
Tinawag ko na chicken hands ang artwork ko dahil ikunumpara ko siya sa manok. Ang manok ay ginagamit nila ang kanilang paa para makahanap ng pagkain. So kaya ko siya tinawag na chicken hands. So katulad din ng mga OFW, they use their hands to earn money and to send the money to their families. Le journaliste philippine, si tu veux parler de Philippines, c'est elle qui doit.
So here actually Harold, who actually is also from Vienna, was able to introduce me to Access, actually headed by Margot actually, and it gave us a bigger chance actually to be able to reach out to many people actually that we're actually that we're in Vienna also, and we're trying to help anyone, any artist actually who has a need actually to learn actually the traditional art. So we're very happy to be here in Paris.
My name is Harold Khan, and I am the co-founder and vice president of SIGE, the Filipino Artist Network in Vienna. And our goal is to connect various communities, creative Filipinos with other creative Filipinos from all over the world, not only here in Europe, as touch base in the Philippines, bringing them to Austria, Paris, and everywhere in Europe. Thank you.
Yeah. My name is Maxime Tanao, and I'm here also representing Access, and also I'm exhibiting in the French Salon. I work in Vata, and yes, continuing the tradition of classical art, of the classical techniques.
Well, my artwork is called She Flourishes, or Let's Flourish. Yeah, it's about she flourishes in her authentic uniqueness and blossoms in the true colors of her beautiful soul. It's about authenticity, to be who you really are. And
hello, my name is Katerina Parahina. I'm from Ukraine, and I want to say it for everybody. Thank you for Access Margot, and for my teacher from Vienna, Andy, from Vata Atelier. And I'm very happy that I'm here in Grand Palais, Paris, and can show you my artwork. Thank you so much.
The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now, the coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut.
Okay.